Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you story of two birds. Now these are red-whiskered bulbuls. I named them Laila and Majnu. So this is the story of Laila, Majnu and their two babies. We have a beautiful garden in which there are different types of fruit trees and flowering plants, and that is why different type of birds come here, like the tailor bird, the hornbill, the kingfisher, the owl, the cattle egret, the ibis, cowcal, bald eagle, Indian robin, babbler, and so on. And finally, there he is, the hero of our film, and I am calling him Majnu. Hey Majnu, what are you eating? He loves red chili very much, and we have a red chili plants. We have so many actually. We have so many red chili plants in our garden, and he comes here daily to eat red chilies. He enjoys them very much. We have fixed one-way glass on our window, and Manjuru enjoys watching his reflection on the glass. He doesn't know it is his own reflection. He thinks it is another bird in the glass. And he keeps pecking at it. He comes every day at the same time to peck on his own image. So funny, isn't it? Oh, cat saw him and now it is waiting to chase him away. It is waiting to chase him away. But it never came and the cat simply waited and waited. Let me introduce you to Kitty. This is our neighbor's cat and she is the villain of our story. She comes to our house every day to drink milk. She loves to drink milk. She enjoys playing with the curtain. She often sits on top of the meter box and watches the garden. She is real villain. One day I caught her with the squirrel in her mouth. Hey, what are you doing with that squirrel? Drop it on, fast, drop it. I immediately stopped the recording, went down and clapped my hands and rescued the squirrel from the cat. Bulbul was alone for many days. He lived a solitary life. And then one day, high up on the top of a drumstick tree, I saw him sitting with another bird. And see, that's Laila with him. So wonderful, isn't it? Now he has found a mate, a friend. See how they are sitting together and chatting and enjoying themselves. Life is so wonderful, isn't it? Now he is introducing her to the chili tree. She can also enjoy some chilies, red chilies. Oh, so tasty. Majnu has found something interesting to eat there. See how he's calling Layla. Hey, come fast. There's something here. Come. Ah, there is Layla. She has also come. Did you see her? See how they are romancing on top of the tree. It's a butterfruit tree. Majnu is madly in love with Layla now. He can't live without her. But what about Layla? He's not very sure. Does she love him or no? He's so nervous. Now he has to ask her and find out. He plans, okay, I'll propose to her and see what she says. I'll take the risk and see. Layla, I love you. And Layla also replies, I love you too, Majnu. Majnu is so happy. Now they'll have to search for a nice place to make a nest and start a family. This is the first part of my film on the two bulbuls. Now they have fallen in love in this first part, and the second part they will build a nest and they'll have two lovely babies. Watch the second part to see the lovely babies. Thank you. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.